Hello, this is Lisette Orozco with Cisco TAC Firewall team. Today, I will show you how to run Pigtail command from the CLI of an unbox managed FTD and later collect it from FDM by generating troubleshooting files. This is useful when you have a case in progress with TAC for troubleshoot of several kinds of problems that require collecting logs while the issue is reproduced. This includes graphic user interface issues, deployment issues, and more. Once you collect this output, you can attach it to the TAC case for further analysis. First, SSH into FTD and go into expert mode. For this, type expert, enter, sudo su, enter, then input your admin password. We can list Pigtail options with command pigtail-h. As we can see, we have the option to run it for a specific log file, or we can also use a preset option that gathers several logs at the same time, or if we run Pigtail with preset all or no preset, we can gather all the logs. In this example, we are going to run Pigtail deploy to gather logs for a deployment failure while we are reproducing it. We can also use the option to specify a directory and file name where to store the output of Pigtail deploy, which is option-out file. Make sure to set up the directory to /ndfw/var/log, since later on we will collect troubleshooting files and they will pick up all the logs included under this directory. We can give the file any name that identifies it as the Pigtail output that we are gathering. In this case, we are naming it this way. Don't hit enter just yet until we are ready to reproduce the issue on FDM. Now, go on FDM to the section where you can start reproducing the problem. In this case, it's right before we click Deploy Now for pending changes. Now, hit enter in the CLI of FTD to get Pigtail deploy running. And immediately start reproducing the error. In this example, we start the deployment. Once the error has shown, in this example the deployment has failed, stop the Pigtail output collection with Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Now, to collect Pigtail log along with troubleshoot files, navigate to FDM main page, then click Request File to be created under the Troubleshoot option, and let it run until complete. We can see its status in the task list widget. Once it's done, click on Download button and it will be saved to the Downloads folder. This is the file that you can attach to the TAC case for technical analysis. This completes the desired configuration for this video. Thank you for watching.